Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and today we are going to show you how we keep our range and stovetops clean. This is our range and stovetop cleaning cloth, and how I know this is the tag says range and stovetop cloth. All our kits come with the thin glass and polishing cloth, and they come in different colors. Always think of this cloth as your new paper towel. How you'll remember is it's thin like a paper towel. This range and stovetop cloth has a special feature. See these blue stripes? These help get burnt on food and stickiness off your cooktop, and the reverse side is great for getting up grease splatter from cooking. This is how and where I use my range and stovetop cleaning cloth with the glass and polishing cloth. I wet the thick cleaning cloth first under my faucet and wipe down my cooktop after I've just cooked breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I then polish and dry with my glass and polishing cloth. Once everything is clean, I will rinse my cleaning cloth out well and then hang it to dry. I don't have to rinse the glass and polishing because I used it to dry the surface, but I do want to hang it to dry out to have it ready for its next use. This glass and polishing cloth is one you will want to have multiples of. I now use them like I would paper towels, and I just love the clean finish they leave after I've cleaned a surface. When you clean with eCloth and water, your surfaces stay clean longer. When you clean with cleaning solutions and paper towels, you will always have buildup from the solutions that cause the streaks and lint from the paper towels. The buildup over time becomes sticky and attracts dust. The range and stovetop cloth and the glass and polishing cloth should be washed in the washing machine weekly with regular detergent, no bleach, fabric softener, or dryer sheets, and then it can go in the dryer or be line dried. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below to let us know how easy it is to use the range and stovetop cleaning kit. See you soon.